Hello boys and girls, it's later tonight. Today is, or later today, it's tonight, nearly nighttime. 2056, 21 August, anyway, 2021, and oh, that figures. Move the mouse, everything goes away. Alright, here, let me zoom into the screen. So you can obviously see that's my favorite model, and the thing is off kilter now. I don't know why, but here, come on. There we go. Anyway, that's a picture that, what's his name, took for me. Okay. Alright, so here we go. This is the radio I had way back whenever, but I want you to look at the screen here because it's a black with that like that, and then this one is blue. Okay, this is blue. And you can see the door is open, right? Door is closed, but that's that one there, and I ran through the pictures of this one. Anyway, last FM medium wave shortwave 1 and 2, and this one is same thing, FM medium wave shortwave 1 and 2, but the background is blue. It's actually well, we can't see it. It's hell, I can't do that. Alright, anyway, something like that. We'll get to that in a moment. So I've taken it apart. Let's see, wait. So there's the old pictures I took a year ago, right? So just dancing through them real fast. You've all seen these before, right? I've shown them to you, you know. And there we are. And then here is this one here, right? I just took it apart today. Okay, so there's the top of it. It's got your mode, stereo, timer, selector, ALC, same bands, just tone, stacked left and right volume. Okay, and here's the the tuning end, all right. And then there's the back of it. Let's see here. That's not a good picture. I think I took a better picture. There's the nicely rusted battery compartment. Okay, and then here it is. It's a what is it? It's that right there. It's a Sanyo M9940k, and it's made in Japan. Okay, and like that. It's got your headphone jack, external speakers, your recording deal, which is a 5-pin DIN, and your microphone with remote. Okay, and it's got your beat cancel switch, and then it's got the AC input, and there's a battery compartment thing, and it's got a little piece missing there. Alright. These are the screws I took out. I actually had 5. There's one inside the case. Couldn't figure that out, but here it is. Cracked the case open. Okay. And there's the inside of it, nice and blue. There's the inside of that there. And that, just take pictures. And of course, you have to reconnect all these, so it's good to have a nice clear picture as to what color goes to what pin. These are the 5 pins. The red, the yellow, the red, the orange, and the pink, and the black. Those go for your speakers. You have to unplug those. You have to know which ones go back where. Okay, and there's a flash picture and another picture, and then there's the inside of the front of the radio. Okay, here's the part that fell out that I put a screw on there. Okay, so that's what holds the cassette deck door in place. All right, and I'm just showing you how it, you push up and this part can come out of here, and I don't know how it came off of there, but it did. Alright, there it is, and properly placed in its proper position. Okay, and that's just the woofer. It's that right there. If you can find one, great. But anyway, there's a tweeter. You figure that out. Okay, it's just in place like that. And then here it is. Let's see. What am I showing here? I don't know. That's what it looks like. Okay. And then there's just another picture of the nice pretty blue tuner window thing. What am I taking a picture of? Just taking pictures. Okay. Alright, so I took a picture of where that screw came out because it's different than the screw that came out of there. Here's the top of it just because I can, and then here's the, okay, somehow this motor got paint on it. I'm not going to go there. I don't know why or how, but it did. Another view of the old belt. okay. And then just another view. Let's see, and then that's what it looks like without it. There's the old belt that was barely working, so I took it out. Okay. What else? Then measure the old belt. The old belt was, nearly 140 millimeters. It was really only easy to be 5 inches long. That's what I put in there. And this one is again, about 72 or 73 millimeters. It's too big. Here's what I put in, which is a 5.3 square belt. Okay, new. I have 2 more left, or I have 1 more left now. All right. I'm just showing a picture of how it measures. It measures. Well, it's a little smaller diameter, but it's also stretchier, so it'll stretch further. But that's how it is. And here's the last picture, I think, as I took of it as I adjusted the speed. And that's how you adjust the speed. You stick a Phillips or a flat tip into the end of the thing there. That's back to the beginning. So I'll just leave it there. And without further ado, we will wide out. All right. We'll wide out. Okay. And then we will tilt the camera down. Okay. And just show you that. Let's see what happened. Oh, okay. Came to an end. Right now. So we got to rewind. I'm using a tape counter. I had to put a new belt in the tape counter as well, so like that. And I've been listening to it with headphones, so let me put the headphones on so you can hear it. All right, so see the headphones? And see, I'm getting there. So, there it is. Haven't had time to take apart the front panel speakers and clean those off and everything, but getting close. 9, 8, 10, 7, 6. There we go. Whoops. That's the tail end of that song. Oh, well, you can't hear it. That's right. Here, let me hit stop. There's stop. Let me unplug my headphones, okay, and get some speakers, because it is late at night and all that. And I need, where'd my adapter go? Here's my adapter, because this takes a 1/4 inch. This takes a 1/4 inch deal, so it's here's my make it bigger adapter. Right. Take that and stick it in here. Okay. So stick it in there like that. Okay. And now we got tunes. Not yet, but here, let me put that there. Let me just take the camera off the tripod. It'll be a lot easier. Okay, because really can't hear from that far away. Oh, I can find this one now. Here. So there's that. Right. There are the speakers. Okay, so speakers. It's a Sony. Woo. Okay. So let's hit play. Right. Whoops. Oh, come on now. There we go. So. I can play this music over the internet, so. Did I mention this thing runs on batteries too? Whoops, wait. Let me do that right. Whoops. And then if I pull the plug out, nothing happens. Okay, that's because this tape is, there we go, oops. There we go. So now, let me put this thing in my lap. You haven't come yet, just pick that up. Oh, come on, yeah. There we go, so it's not plugged in, right? And no sound. All the sound. Okay. So. This thing jams, let me tell you. It's late at night. I'd put the speakers on, but just haven't gotten around to cleaning the speakers, which are right here. Here are the speakers. Okay. So just haven't had enough time to do everything. So it's been 10 minutes, and I got to put the rest of it back together. Got to put the nice pretty blue thing back in here. Wait, it goes, yeah, that's wrong, it's upside down. Okay, here. Got to put this around that, right? So there's that, the full scale, and yes, I think it matches up. I don't care about the radio so much as I care about playing cassettes in this box. Okay, so that's all I know. So I'll put that down there, and unwind this a bit. Come on, don't get caught on there. So everything gets caught on everything. Come on. There we go. So what's next? There is something next on here, right? Oh, that's crappy tape. All right, where's the other tape? I have more tapes up here somewhere, right? Just had another tape. No, I can't play that. Where did it go? Just had it. Okay, this drives me crazy. There it is. Okay, give me that tape. Right, so let's stop. Pull that out. Put that up here. That's good. Got that in there. Hit play. So yeah, and yeah, I wanted to. Well, I really hard to pick this up without it having anything. Well, I really can't do that. Well, I can try. And I'm holding this by hand, so let me just change hands and carefully pick it up, flip it around if I can. Come on, there we go. Yeah, there we go. That's what I was trying to show is that's the model it is. Okay, I'll finish it tomorrow. Now it's been 12 minutes. I'm not going to open the battery compartment. I've got too many things going on here, just trying to hold this. Okay, so, yep. There we go. Yeah. So, don't fall off my knees. Alright, so, if you've never seen the inside of a Sanyo M9940k, that's what one looks like. Did I play the radio? Let's see here. Oh, I'm going to get in trouble with that music. Yeah.
From Beethoven's Symphony.
Okay, 13 minutes, we gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go.